To prevent the page from being indexed by search engines in WordPress, you need to modify its settings to signal to search engines not to crawl or index the page. Here's how to do it. Use the Discourage Search Engines from Indexing option. Go to the page. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages and click to edit the page you want to exclude from indexing. Settings in the editor. Scroll down to the Yoast SEO section. Advanced Settings. Click the Advanced tab in the SEO plugin and find the option that says Allow search engines to show this page in search results. Disable indexing. Set this option to No. Update the page. Save or update your page to apply the changes. Use robots.txt file. Edit robots.txt. Go to your WordPress site's root directory and locate the robots.txt file. Add Disallow. Add a line like this to disallow search engines from indexing the page. Save changes. Upload the modified robots.txt file back to your server. Use a plugin. Many SEO plugins like Yoast or RankMath allow you to easily set a page as no index through their settings without needing to modify code.